This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, now let's take a look at the gold market. Sorry for delay since I was not able to prepare this a bit earlier, but in general on the gold market price action finally starts to show some action. And our major idea that we have discussed in our weekly research, mostly based on the potential appearing of the potential double bottom pattern, because if market will take out these lows and continue to move down, we just will say that downward action has continued. Market has continued to move to the will continue the long-term trend on the monthly time frame, in fact. And we know the long-term target that we have also specified is around 1250 area, but as market stands deeply oversold on the monthly time frame and on the weekly time frame, that is also was significant oversold level and 1618 extension target, its probability of longer in time retracement and compounding retracement now is significant. And this retracement, previously we thought that it could be some kind of the ABC reaction, but since market has raised all support levels and targets, intraday targets, with this move down, that the last chance that exists now for the bounce to the upside could be double bottom pattern. I don't know, maybe it will shift to the butterfly later. The one thing why I think the reason why I think so is because of that low. Because typically when the market in the modern markets forms the double bottom, usually the second bottom clear out the first one. That happens in most cases when the market shows some small wash and rinse of these previous lows when it's formed second bottom, especially in the gold market. The gold market, in fact, is the king of the wash and rinses, and it's a very cunning market, and it's very rare when the gold market leaves behind significant low or high. That's why this stop somewhere slightly higher than this low seems a bit curious for the gold market. And that's why, but this low hold possibility for butterfly buy opportunity on the daily time frame. If this will be, for instance, left wing, market now could show some bounce and start to form right wing. That is also possible. But again, as I said, double bottom also could happen. Anyway, as the potential butterflies, double bottom suggests some deeper move to the upside. That's what we will be focused on with the nearest future. And you can see that market right here has formed some kind of the bullish engulfing, or what we call maybe piercing in the cloud pattern or something of that sort. That indicates the support. Now it shows the retracement from this pattern. That's absolutely typical action. That's why there are two major questions appear with the current setup. First of all, market should hold with this retracement somewhere inside of this swing and should not continue to move below this low, because if this will happen, that will be probably the downward continuation, because market will erase this pattern. And the second question, how far market could continue to move up. On the 4-hour time frame, we yesterday said that market stands in the parallel channel, and our first destination, if you remember, was the combination of weekly pivot point and upper border of this channel. That has happened. So market with this starting bounce has reached this area, now turns retracement to the downside. As gold market likes to show the 618 retracements, and in fact this splash is first after the long-term bear action. Retracement probably will be deep. I can't exclude that it will be at minimum 1362. That is the 618 support of this move up. Another bullish moment here, as you can see, that this swing is greater than the previous swing down. That is so-called reversal swing, and in fact when the market shows some kind of the reversal action, it suggests some further the upward continuation. Maybe market will stop at the weekly pivot resistance 1, as we have mentioned it as the second target. Maybe it will continue move a bit higher. Currently I do not know. We need to see first how market will behave with these reversal swings. But the rule of thumb suggests that you could enter long with the nearest ABCD retracement after the reversal swing. Because usually market shows at least some minor, even 618 extension of this swing up. That's the major idea now on the gold market. But this is also for those who trade on intraday charts and do not scared to enter long with this environment. For others, if you research the possibility to short this market, well, as I said, on the daily time frame, you need to see the erasing of this reversal action. So market should break this move down, break this upward swing, take out of these lows and continuous move down, whether inside of this channel or with the breakout to the downside. That is also possible. But as I said, taking into consideration longer term deep reversal on the monthly time frame, it's very difficult to take the bet on some significant move lower, on some significant bearish move, because market now has to force against this reversal condition. And in fact, this deep reversal was based on the fundamental factors. The market money flows from the gold into the United States shares and some other assets. Well, we do not know exactly when this flow will reduce or even stop. That's why it's very, from the probability point of view, it's very dangerous to take the bet on the long-term time frame on the significant gold depreciation. That's why taking short position currently, well, it's a bit difficult choice. That's why, as we previously suggested, and that was one of our trading plan what we said early about months ago, and we said that gold market is really now is doom and gloom, and it's better to stick with some particular patterns. So now, for example, we see the reversal swing. We can trade it on the deep retracement because risk will be not very significant until this low, but reward could be great if market really will show the breakout of this channel, market continue move up, especially if this will be even the double bottom pattern, or at minimum the 1430 retracement. That will be also a very significant move. What we see on the hourly time frame? On the hourly time frame, we see the perfect double repo sale pattern right at the upper border of the resistance that we have specified. So when we see thrust up, close below the 3x3, market has not hit that frayed support. That's important for the double repo. Close above, creating the new high that I would like to see with the double repo, creating below the 3x3. That is the second penetration, while this pattern calls is the double penetration, and downward action. Well, a minor target of the double repo pattern is 50% support of that thrust. That's the minor target, but I can't exclude that market probably will continue even lower to the 1362 area. So if you was able to enter short with this double repo, that's great. So this will be a very nice trade. Well, if not, then keep an eye on the 1360 area. Is the potential for entering on the long side of the market, because probably market could show some deeper retracement to the upside. But one thing that worries me is that this low that stands a bit higher than that one, that increases the risk that probably gold market could now grab the steps both of those. It's also possible. So it's very tricky market right now. That's why it's better to search an opportunity to enter short as close to this low as possible. But that's been said, as the conclusion, what we could say that we have a reversal swing here. We have significant penetration of the MACDs, trend turns bullish price action. Now we see the retracement. So that's the level to watch for a long entry on the gold market, 1362. So if this is really some challenge for upward continuation, market probably should hold above this area. That's major scenario to watch for. Here also you could see could be some sort of the reverse head and shoulders pattern, almost as on a euro currency. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder. On the hourly time frame, this probably looks clear. So shoulder, head, So also could be shown that market will hit the target of the double repo pattern. Also keep an eye on this pattern. So if market will show really too significant move down, be aware. It's could be the sign that market could continue move lower. So it's a bit tricky action, but still we see some bullish signs here, and let's see how it will turn, because market really could show deeper retracement to the upside.